Good day, everyone. Welcome to FXDD live trading. My name is Nenad, and before I start, have in mind that Forex and CMD trading carry high level of risk that is not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand the risks involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. On these web addresses, you can sign up for more live educational and trading webinars. Now, let's open the charts and see what's going on here. So basically, guys, this is it, the chart, and I see that the GBPUSD is going up. So basically, still I have some trades running here on my account, and here we go. So we have the GBPUSD. Here we go. Positions 27.95 buy, 27.58 buy, 1.0776 buy. Okay, and well, the price should proceed to the upside. I managed to bring the account from 10,000 to 50,000. Okay, now it's a little bit in drawdown, 47, a little bit. That's it. But I'm risking only from the profits that I have and that I made. For a full insight, log into myfxbook.com and follow me. Trading live FXDD account from 10,000 to 50,000, guys, by using Camarilla MACD, my trading method. So the other trade is the Australian dollar New Zealand. I also have it here, and this is it. You can see it here, the entry 1.0775, and now I will actually make stop losses here. Same stop loss applies for this trade, 26.73, and for this one is 29.70. Of course, I might close profits earlier or protect my profits based on general volatility of the price. On the Australian dollar New Zealand, my stop loss is 720, 5 pip spread, so it's 0.715. Okay, 0.715 is my stop loss, and the target for this move is potentially 0.830. So I'm actually writing it here. 0.830. Okay, so here we go. Live trades running. We are trying to make some profits, guys, and let's focus on this. So GBPUSD long, the Australian dollar New Zealand long, 2 positions, 3 position actually, because I scaled in a GBPUSD. So nice run on the GBP. One more thing that is important, guys, why I'm holding on to this trade. See this. This is important. Take a look at this. 86 pips versus 65 pips on GBPUSD. It means that volatility is higher on this market. So when today's ATR overshot the ATR for the last 5 days, it means that the general volatility in the GBPUSD is increasing. And where it goes in a trend direction that is actually to the long side, because market is bullish. So when you see an increase in volatility on a bullish side, it means that new highs could be printed out, at least intraday highs. So the crucial now is that market closes above 28.00. Above 28.00, the price will go up. If the market starts to go down, then we could actually see we could actually see 27, 2030 tested again. But I want to see a clear close above 28.00, because that will give me the assurance that this market will go up. At least the volatility is higher, and definitely I'm happy to see that we are going in the right direction. Still, of course, remains to be seen. The other trade is the Australian dollar New Zealand. Generally, we had the RBA decision last night, and markets went bullish. It means that it means that the Australian dollar is getting stronger. because the Reserve Bank of Australia said that they will aim to 2% inflation target, and they didn't mention any rate cuts. So it means that the Australian dollar New Zealand can still go higher. So I'm trying to see if this potentially new highs will be printed out above this high here and this monthly H4 Camarilla pivot. So I think this region, the zone here, could be retested. So we will, of course, need to wait and see. Other markets that I'm going to watch, of course, I want to go long on the SPX 500. FXDD platform has excellent spreads on the SPX 500. You can see it here, a lot of excellent spreads. And actually, I made 130 pips last week by trading the SPX 500. Excellent spreads on equities. Also, I'm going to go long on the on the DEX, but I want to see a drop on 15-minute time frame, and the Dow USA 30, it's Dow. So I want to see again a signal to go long on 15-minute time frame. That is what I'm trying to see here with the Dow and with, of course, SPX 500, S&P 500, especially S&P 500, because it's a little bit more volatile. And if I see another drop here, I think that the price could actually start another move to the upside. So let's scan for other markets now, and let's see if there are also other opportunities as well. My eyes are on Australian dollar, New Zealand, but we need also, guys, to scan other markets as well. So let's see the GBP dollar. Yeah, still, you see, we could go long, but only after a clear confirmation. So the price should ideally close above 29.10 to initiate a further spike to the upside. Until it happens, the GBP is rangy. You see, this is the range now, and there is not much to be said unless the price makes a clear up move and these moving averages actually cross. So I would say that, well, probably around that level, we might see the GBP actually going up. Euro yen. Yeah, not a clear trend. Actually, this is a sort of uptrend, but there is a big range. I closed my trade for 40 pips. I did the right thing today because I was moving my stop loss in profit, and I managed to grab the high here. Why I did it? Because I saw that the ATR here is that when the price actually went up, I saw that it was close to the full ATR, and I decided to move my stop loss. So I made the right choice. I closed the trade for 40 pip profit. It was a good decision. New Zealand dollar yen. New Zealand dollar will have some data running later today. Unemployment, I think, data will be due today. So definitely the New Zealand could be more volatile than it is right now. Euro dollar dropped. Okay, euro dollar dropping. Again, the market is trying to make an M pattern here. And I guess that if it closes below 1060, it could be sold on rallies. But it's still mixed. It's not clearly bullish, but it's neutral to bullish because this was a big run to the upside. So we might see some retracement to the downside. Gold, XAU USD, similar thing. The market is ranging. It can actually be bought from, I think, in my opinion, from 1480 or 1480 zone. Dollar yen bullish. I already explained, and if you read my analysis on FXDD, you know that I'm bullish on dollar yen, but I didn't have the chance to enter the market because it's already, as you can see, it's already playing out. I didn't have a retracement. Guys, you can read my analysis. I will show you right away where. On FXDD website, each day, go and read my analysis. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Price action trading. Here you have all of my analysis here. Okay, and read it through there. It's important because then you will also have the chance to trade what I also trade myself. For example, today the analysis Australian dollar, New Zealand, very clear, very easy. Just click on that and you will see it. So, okay, come here and read my analysis. So you see the Australian dollar, New Zealand is really pushing now to the upside. Let's see how account is going. Yeah, I have this floating loss on the GBP Swissy on one trade, but this one, Australian dollar, New Zealand, is going exactly as I wanted. I hope that the GBP Swissy will follow, although my entry on the GBP Swissy almost went 50 pips up today. And this is it. The price has hit today's ATR projection. So, well, I expected, I would like it to go a little bit higher, to at least test this level before I decide what to do with this trade. But obviously, this is now bullish market. The Australian dollar, New Zealand, it's going up. Okay, so I'm leaving this trade running. GBP Swissy is still struggling to break this, but about 28, close about 28, 4-hour daily close will spike the price to the upside, in my opinion. Dollar yen up, GBP yen trying to go up, but it's more because of the yen weakness than GBP strength. If we see a GBP strength, then this will explode. Every single GBP basket will explode if we see a GBP strength. The Australian dollar is going up. We had a clear confirmation here, and I expect the move to maybe, I don't know, it should definitely break this high in order to proceed further up. Yeah, so that is clear. Euro GBP going down, still trying to go down, but it's not tradable because it's a bit I can say rangy. This is a very, very big range, and it's still bearish, but it's rangy. The Australian dollar Swissy, of course, up move, very nice up move, 71 pip versus 46. So it's because of the Australian dollar strength. I already told you. Euro Australian dollar going down, nice down move, and this was re-entry here. Dollar, Singapore dollar, great to trade on FXDD. I missed this. I was aiming for this, and definitely dollar, Singapore dollar is great to trade when there is a trend, especially on the FXDD platform. Only 3 pip spread here. Euro Swissy, yeah, nothing here. And one more thing, what I will take a look at is Nikkei, guys. For Asian traders, again, I think buying the dip is the key here. 15-minute time frame, the price needs to drop. When it drops towards 23 here, I think it could be a good for a buy position. Watch for reversal candle patterns if it drops there. Also, 23,255. Watch for bullish reversal candles. It can also go up. Okay. So the Australian dollar, New Zealand, of course, it hit the ATR. That is why it's dropping now. It's normal, and the price hits the ATR is dropping. But I'm leaving this trade. I want to see it, as I said, above 0.8. Obviously, at least here before I decide to protect my trade by either scaling out or moving my whole stop loss in profit for some maybe 30 pips. I will decide on that. If you have any other questions, guys, I'm ready to answer. I've been pretty much clear with all of this trades, setups, what you should be looking at. But of course, if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to ask me. So that is it. My plan maybe for today is to manage this Australian dollar, New Zealand trade, GBP Swissy. And of course, I would like to see SPX 500 setting up for a long trade, because equities are behaving much better than Forex market. And yeah, I guess we could see on a bullish reversal candle patterns, we could see trades maybe happening a little bit later. I will be watching SPX 500. I don't see any questions, so I guess everything is clear. Also, guys, thank you for your comments. I see them also below your videos, below my videos, and I always try to of course reply if I see anything. But Of course, I also do my live analysis, quick videos of 3 to 5 minutes long, where you can see them on YouTube, FXDD YouTube channel. So subscribe and see also my live analysis on FXDD YouTube channel. Thank you guys for listening. I will be here with you soon, and let's make pips together. Cheers, and as always, trade safe.